So today we're just going to add an image to our crosshair. This is a very simple implementation, and since we set up the crosshair a few videos ago, we're just adding an image. You can grab any image off of Google for this tutorial, or if you have a image pack, or if you created your own in Photoshop, whatever floats your boat. This is going to be a very short video, so I will be releasing another video for you guys about 30 minutes after this one. So if you're watching the videos later in the day, you should have access to both right now. So before we get started, don't forget to like the video if you do find it useful. Don't forget you can support me and the channel on Patreon. Also remember that you can reach me further by joining Discord with other devs talking about Lumberyard, Unity, Unreal Engine, or just general hanging out. Alright, so let's get into the video. So we have our HUD, and if I hit play, we have our little crosshair in the middle. Alright, let's go to our canvas path name, double click on that. This is gonna have our HUD, as you guys should know. Now, usually your crosshair is going to be like a high quality image so that you can resize it to your liking without degrading the pitch quality. And usually around the 16 by 16 is where you want to sit. But since the image for this one is already small, 16 by 16 is a little bit too small. So by my testing, what I do is go to the crosshair, and under image you will see sprite path. I'm going to actually add the crosshair that I have here, transparent crosshair. Make sure when you're Googling or whatever the case, or if you're saving out an image that you created, make sure it's a PNG so that you have a transparent background. So hit OK. And you have a couple options, changing the color, the alpha. You can change the image type, blend mode if you need to. And then you have your fill type. That comes in handy with, like, you know, health bars and things like that. All right, so like I said, it's very, very, very small. So I'm gonna change this to about, and to give you guys how small it is, to give you guys an idea, you hit preview and you see that you can't even see the image. So if I change this to 128 by 128, you can actually see it. So if I hit preview, you'll see that it's right there. All right. So if I exit out of here, hit save, hit play, you see my crosshair right in the middle of the screen. Very simple, very easy. And if we were to add a weapon, we can line it up with the middle of the screen. That way, when we simulate shooting a weapon from the middle of the screen, it looks very realistic as far as the gun firing off in the direction that it should, which is forward to the player, or wherever you're aiming rather. But yeah, very short video, guys. Very easy. Like I said, it was going to be a short video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Don't forget to like the video. The next video is actually the last video, which is dealing with animation. And that will wrap up our little beginner series for UI. And I will be doing more intermediate, and advanced videos in the future. But other than that, hope you guys are having a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering in your projects. And until next time, keep developing.